We hear a lot about 1080p, 4K, 8K when we buy a TV or shoot videos with phones or cameras. So what is 1080p, 4K? What does that mean for us? In this video, let's figure them out. To understand what 4K is, first we need to know two basic terms called pixel and resolution. An image or screen is composed of a fixed number of pixels. If you look closely, pixel is just a small square of color. Resolution means how many pixels there are, such as 1080p you may be familiar with has 9020 horizontal pixels and 1080 vertical pixels. And 4K is the next standard resolution with roughly 4000 pixels wide. It has two standards. One used in the cinema has 4096 by 2160 pixels. And one used in the televisions has 3840 by 2160 pixels. And here's the common resolution chart from 720p to 8K. And those are just basics of 4K. If you want to know more things like 4K codec, HDR technology, read our in-depth article, The Ultimate Guide on 4K. So you have known what 4K is, then what does it mean for us? With the use of larger TV screen size as well as video projector, 4K provides much more detailed and immersive image quality than 1080p. If you go out and buy a new TV, you'll find plenty of budget 4K TVs available in various sizes, so you can easily find the perfect one for your distance. Then what about content? Where can we watch the best 4K content? Now it's quite convenient to watch 4K from many streaming and download services such as Netflix, Amazon or iTunes, and YouTube here is also a great place to watch 4K videos. For internet speed, you need 25 megabytes to stream 4K according to Netflix. Then what about 4K cameras? Can we shoot 4K videos? The answer is absolutely yes. There are lots of cameras and mobile phones that can capture 4K. If you make videos, there are huge benefits to shooting video in 4K. By downscaling 4K to 1080p, your footage will look much sharper and better. Since 4K is 4 times the pixel resolution of 1080p, you have more space to crop or zoom without losing quality. And also it gives you enough pixels to stabilize your footage. But there's one thing to note that 4K files are huge. You can use our video size calculator to see how big a 4K video is. A good way to reduce the file size is to change the video codec to HEVC, and you can easily do it with VideoProg. It's not easy to edit 4K on a computer as it requires a lot of CPU and GPU power. If you want to make a simple 4K video editing, VideoProg, which takes advantage of full hardware acceleration tech, will be a good software. You can learn how to edit 4K video even on a slow computer here. Finally, what about 4K gaming and 4K monitors? Playing 4K games on a 4K monitor gives you an immersive experience, but you are going to have a large invest on high-performance GPUs and the monitors. Consoles from Xbox and Sony already have products to support showing 4K videos, but for games, now you might get upscaled 4K in most cases. So we may still have to wait a while. So that's it for 4K resolution. What else do you want to know about video? The video codec, frame rate, bitrate? Let us know in the comment. Thank you for watching.